Right, Phoebe, so the last paper test you sat for me, you scored 52, so let's see if we're improving on that. That's correct. It's not 46 billion, it's 4,600,000. With this one, they want to know what the value is of the 6. The 6 is in the hundreds column, so its value is 600. If they want to know the value of the 5, it would be in the tens column, so its value would be 50. Right, so you're missing, that's wrong. 1 and 15 are a pair, and 3 and 15 are a pair. So the factors are 3 times 5, 1, 3, 5 and 15. 6 books is correct. Okay, 34 is wrong, it should be 32. 66 is correct. Ascending means going up. You've written it going down. Ten, 5, 10, 7, 8. You don't need to put the outer 30s in there, and the mode is correct. So total for the page: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13. Frequency, number of children, use a pencil. There needs to be a gap between the bars because the data isn't being measured, it's being counted. So your scale is good, your bars are at the correct height, there's no gaps, and I'm taking a mark off because you're not using a pencil. That's very good. 5, 7 for the page. Good. Full marks to that page. 8 marks. Well done. $18.25. Fantastic. Okie dokie, what have we done wrong here? You haven't multiplied them. Come on. Should be able to spot that now. The letter and the number are joined by a time, so it's 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 times 4 is 8, so you've blown both of those marks. But you get the 3 above it. 8 for the page. Right, so that is not correct. You need to learn a method for doing long multiplication. Take a look at how I do it on the video clip, but your method isn't working for you. 48 divided by 8 is not 8, it's 6. But if you had got that as 6, your method is right, and that's correct. Well done. What shall I explain that? That's correct, but it's times, not add. It's 8 times 25. 2.63 is correct. Good. Okay, total for the page: 1, 2, 4. Good, good, good. Excellent. 5. Correct. Correct, correct, correct. Full marks to the page. Well done, Phoebe. That's excellent. 62 is correct, and so is that. This is very good. Full marks for that page too. Yeah, and that's a good explanation. 1000, it isn't 445, it's 460, but that's correct. So you lose 1 mark there. Watch my video clip for that. 4 marks for the page. Right, the square is also that and that. Parallelogram isn't that, but it is that. That's correct, but that isn't. Too many mistakes there to get any marks. That's okay. That explanation will give you the mark. The lines won't reach. The exterior is 100. Good. That's very good. 2, 8D, take 12, add 15. That's right. You just haven't finished it. You need to simplify it further. 3E plus 18 is correct. But then you haven't solved the equation from there. So, and you haven't, yes, you have formed it. So you will get 1 mark for clearing out the bracket, but you solving the equation wrongly. Watch how I do that in the video clip. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the page. I think this is going to beat your last mark, Phoebe. Let's take a look. 13, 20, 28, 36, 40, 51, 62, 66, 73. Well done. That is brilliant. That's a C. That's a C on the paper 1. If I look at what you did in the paper 2, which you sat for homework last week, in the paper 2 you got 52, which was a D. So probably over the 2 papers, if you add those together, you get 125, which is a D overall. Okay, so you're still not a rock solid C, but that is very, very good. Well done.